Marhaba, كيفك? My name is Daria. I'm from Ukraine. Actually, it's my first time on this international Dubai boat show. By the way, I came only today by my mistake. This is the last day of this show. But I'm so excited to visit this place. Because there is exhibition, before there was show. And so many people, everybody's smiling, everyone is happy. And what else we need to happy life?